Good day folks, and welcome you back to Global Education Zone. And in this episode I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a circle to pass through a given point P and to touch a given circle at a given point E, and also enclosing the circle. So the first thing to do is to draw the given point and the given circle of center O. So let's give the given point here. This will be the given point. Let's say the given point is point P. Yeah. Then let's draw the given circle. The given circle with center O. This should be the given circle here. Now, I haven't done that. The next thing to do is basically you join PA. You join PA. So basically, you are touching a given circle at the point A. So assuming this is the point A, you want it to touch the given circle at this point A. So you join P to A. Basically, just join P to A first. Join P to A. Yeah. The one who join P to A will bisect the line PA. So let's bisect this line PA. So open your compass to a little more than half of the radius of the distance between the two lines, and then you bisect. So you join the intersections together. Then finally we have this. The next point is basically you draw a line from A through O to intersect the bisector at X. So a line to intersect from A through the O, and this O will be the center of the circle. So this intersects the bisector at X. Now this X is the center of the required circle. So center X, you open your compass to P. Open your compass to P. Open it to. Then you draw your circle. The center X. Sorry. So center X and radius XA. Draw the required circle. So it will also pass through point P. So we have center XA. So it will pass through P. So here you go. This is how to draw. We could also complete the circle too, if necessary. So this is how to draw a circle of given radius to touch a given circle and also to pass through a given point.